Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to log out from Google account on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to log out of the link account on your cell phone because there are too many linked Google account, don't need to be worried because you can do it easily. And how to log out from Google account is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and go to account and backup. And after that, now you can go to manage account, and then you can choose the Google account that you want to log out. And then here now you can click remove account, so this account will log out and remove from your phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys.